Welcome to the demo of the 24B feature, Search for, Create and Edit Work Areas using the Redwood user experience. With this feature, you can now manage work areas within a manufacturing plant using the Redwood user experience. This will help provide a modern and responsive user interface that results in faster searching and filtering of work areas, and it helps with more efficient creation or editing of the work areas. This demonstration will show you how you can manage work areas using Redwood Experience. I am launching Manage Work Areas task from the Work Definition landing page. And this is opening in a Redwood page. Here I see the list of all the work areas in my organization. I have ability to filter only the active work areas here. I can also search for a work area by simply typing in the name or code, like so. Here I can expand this work area to see additional attributes. These additional attributes are descriptive flex fields. You can set up your own descriptive flex fields by accessing the task called Manage Descriptive Flex Fields from Setup and Maintenance. When you open the task, you can find the module work area and access the descriptive flex fields for this entity. You can define your own fields and you can deploy those fields here. I have access to this menu here where I can edit this work area or delete this work area. When I want to edit a work area or create a new work area, I will open a create and edit page. I'll show you how you can create one now. Just click the create work area button. I'm going to type the name. I'm going to click create. I see a message here telling me that area was successfully created. So that's on the top of my list now. I can make edits to this by simply clicking this edit action. I can make my changes here and just click update. This is how you can manage work areas using the Redwood pages. Thanks for watching this feature demo.